Good afternoon, everyone. We are from EEE Team 3, as we are going to discuss about every problem as a opportunity for innovation.
Okay. As you started, maybe this is not effective. As an initiator, you might have started like we are going to discuss an interesting topic that is nothing but so and so. Okay. Or any other interesting ways you please speak and start the discussion. Anyone can try. How do you introduce?
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tribly, and we are Team 3. We are going to discuss a very interesting topic. Problems is an opportunity for innovation. So, every problem leads to innovation and solutions. Innovation, which means creating a solution for the existing problem. Uh, while we while we are at a problem, we need to think for the solution. It is called innovation.
Many people quit in the middle only, but there is a real time example. Like first of all, they invented telephone. By after that, they understood the problem and they have invented smartphones with 5G, etc.
Yeah, I agree. Every problem is an opportunity. How do we see everyday problems like in the back days, Japan's trains were very noisy when they pass through the caves. So they have inspired by a bird. They have taken the solution from the nature. They have narrowed the train front part to make it clear the problem. What do you say?
There, the innovation has seen. Start speaking, connecting to the topic. So there I understood how the innovation is happening with the problem. Come.
Yeah, innovation is started the problem. There are so many innovation creating. They are facing so many problems. To solve the problems in thinking carefully. In our college, we are currently studying in Tripoli. In our college, most common problem we are facing the in empty room, the fans and lights are on, but in this problem, we are we are innovate the by using sensor. We are doing some prototype like using sensors to protect to off controlling the room like that we are existing the problem to innovate the solution. We can try it.
Yes, you're right. As a EEE students, we have to innovate according to our surrounding. We should think according to our problems and need to innovate more. Like as you told, by using sensors, we are all innovating some new prototypes.
In this innovation, we apply first design thinking. Firstly, we apply empty phase and test phase and define ideate and prototype. First, empty is that means we understand the problem and define means firstly we define the that problem and ideate means in that problem we creatively thinking and prototype means uh, any any type of product we can invent.
Yes, I agree with you. By this, we are not only developing the solution, but we are also learning many new things from these steps, which will lead to the more effective innovation type.
As many we innovate new ideas, we can create more projects like as we all said.
when we are doing timely way, we can also notice the problems what we have to develop for the future, and we are coming to an idea for developing the next stage of the project.
Even we team have already developed a new idea for the existing problem, that is smart dustbin. Because many near our household, many are facing like they can't garbage problem and everything. So the garbage is putting out of the bin. So for that we have created a problem, like we have created a solution smart dustbin.
And one more example is Google Maps. In the heavy traffic, uh, we are uh, we are understanding difficulty. The Google Maps are very useful and save the time and correct way.
So by this, I would like to conclude that problem is not a point where we need to stop. For finding the solution, we need to find different ways of solve solutions for that problem, which will give us more chances for new innovation techniques and ideas. So problem is an absolutely and good opportunity for making good and new innovations. Thank you.
You tried well for the discussion, but when someone in your team is struggling to express their idea, you're not ready to connect them with your points. You are just telling, yes, I agree with you. Instead that you have many phrases. Yeah, as you mentioned, maybe you're trying to say this point. You should have modified it. That is not done in your discussion. Though each one tried giving their points, some of them are not at all clear with their points. Though you are sharing a relevant example, you are not able to connect, telling that it is connected to the topic here. Like not directly, maybe indirectly you can connect. Okay? Come on. Get ready for the next discussion. Come on, the other team. Stand for the discussion. Let's start. Come on.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tejashwini. This is my sub team. So today, as a part of group discussion, we selected a topic about artificial intelligence is job creator or destroyer. So my point of view, I want to just say, artificial intelligence is becoming a important part of our life. So when we go anyway, we just see artificial intelligence in everywhere, like hospitals or smartphones or education. So where we go, there is an AI present. So we have to think about it is a job creator or destroyer. So tell me about your point of view about this.
As a, my opinion, artificial intelligence is not a job creator or a destroyer. I think this is the best way to learn new things and new technology. So I think artificial intelligence can make our decisions improve and make our work simple and uh, simple. I think this will be the most effective part for learning new things and new technology. For upcoming days, I think artificial intelligence may lead more. So,
Yeah,
what I
yeah, you're right. And in my perception, AI is both, which is job creator and job destroyer. When coming to the job creator, so nowadays AI improves gradually more. So um, AI want new engineers like uh, prompt engineer and AI engineer, developer engineering. So when come to the job
When
destroyer,
one is speaking, look at him. You maintain eye contact with everybody.
when coming to the job destroyer, so nowadays the engineers are not upgraded themselves when compared to the AI. So that's why they loses their jobs. So that's it.
AI can easily replace humans where they don't speak. Yeah, in my opinion, artificial intelligence is more opportunity rather than threat. AI can be maybe taken repetitive jobs, but it also open parts like robotic jobs. For example, China used advanced AI because of that technology it produced more income to the country.
Yes, you're right. AI helps more to get jobs, and but mainly more of that AI destroys the jobs of humans for their physical.
AI can automate simple tasks like basic accounting and data entry type jobs. If humans doesn't have skills, AI can replace them. But if humans can learn skills, they can go alongside AI. Adding to my my teammates' points, uh, AI resists some jobs like traditional jobs, but there is an advantage also. Nowadays, everyone can easily access internet through some other platforms. By using artificial intelligence, we learn so many things, and we develop ourselves day to day for that upcoming new jobs. And some drawbacks also there in nowadays. Nowadays, some some amount of people are using fertilizers in some bad way, like copying and something, etc. etc. In exchange, this destroys some job opportunities for who are talented in who are actually talented to perform at the right extent. And when it comes to real life examples, nowadays AI is integrated in so many things like hospitalization and automation. Without AI, automation is working in working in a normal way, but integration AI to automation, productivity is increasing more and more, and output will be drastically raises. And in hospitals, AI plays a key role, and
yes,
and
I am also agree some points with you. By using AI, so many employees are very lazy and they lose their opportunity in their company. And also, we are used not only good for this in employment. Mm,
In AI, there is recreative coding and there is fewer opportunities for job. Also, there is existing in artificial intelligence.
in future, job opportunities are less. Some people are telling like that. It is not predicted about AI.
So I want to add some more points about this. So we cannot say A is complete the job destroyer because as a electrical engineering uh, we can learn electrical engineering along with programming, data analysis, and robotics, and etc. So for that we can explore more creative jobs and opportunities. I think so. We cannot say A is only a job destroyer. Uh, in some cases, it creates the more jobs and more opportunities. So for that we get more employment. So we cannot say the in some way it can be destroyed, but A is not a complete destroyed. Can say the way we can change our way work, what the way of work.
Okay, you tried so well, but I don't know why all your teammates are putting their head down and as if they're mourning for somebody. No, you're looking down, you're so dull, and there's no emotion in you while discussing. When your turn comes, you're just speaking and leaving it aside. There's no connection. Dynamics are not followed in the discussion. Always she is ready, actively participating, and others are just standing in like mode, like looking down. You're very sad. Okay, this is not the discussion. Though he tried well, one turn or two turns are not enough. You should be engaged in the discussion. Yes? Then how well you improve, you try improving yourself. This is not enough for the discussion. As it is the first round, fine. But when it comes to the next round, there must be really a drastic improvement because you know already how to involve in the discussion. Is it or not? This dull participation or passive participation is not effective. Why didn't you take several turns? Yes? Okay. Louder.
Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and important topic: artificial intelligence, job creator or destroyer. Um, I believe that uh, artificial intelligence is a threat as well as an opportunity. Um, what is your opinion? In my opinion, is AI can also destroy the jobs because AI can do some human work automatically and some simple and repeated jobs are disappear.
I believe AI can save time and increase the productivity. For example, AI can large amount of data analyze in short time period.
What your opinion?
Okay, in my opinion, A is not a
Look at them.
okay. A is neither a job creator,
When you come from, yeah.
is neither a job creator nor job destroyer completely. You can't conclude that what is what. And if you adopt AI, will upskill in our life. It is just a job transformer from one level to another level. People who use AI and adopt AI will upskills themselves. Who doesn't have adopt AI, they were done and dusted. And AI is not about uh, destroying the jobs. If we adapt the AI, we can improve our life as well as, for example, when it comes to an example of the software engineer, from past to the present. In past, they were used to write code on themselves, so it takes a lot of time to for the productivity. Even though a single project should be handled for a month of time, and now it will be completed in 1 to 2 hours. That's it. So the productivity will be increases and your life also changes with AI.
Yes, in many companies, AI chatbots are using for customer support. Earlier, humans are also answering for those questions, but now AI also answering the same questions who are answering humans. So AI also reducing the sum of customer service jobs also.
However, AI can't completely replace the human creativity, communication, and decision making, emotional intelligence. Therefore, people should improve their skills and learn to work with AI. Okay, artificial intelligence is important role. Okay, artificial intelligence is important role in our life, such as education, healthcare, and healthcare industry and transportation and other areas. And also, AI is creating job opportunities such as cyber security, data analytics, like, and companies is.
Yes, AI is very useful because AI is useful for not only students, it is useful for many companies also. For students, they are using ChatGPTs for studies only.
I agree with you all. Some people believe AI is a creator, and some people think AI is a job destroyer. And my perception is AI is both a job creator and a job destroyer, based on how we use it. Old jobs can be disappear, and new jobs will be created. It is all dependence on our technical skills and adaptability. Instead of getting afraid of AI, we should learn how to work with it and adapt and improve our technical and new opportunities. Thank you.
So fine, you tried very well connecting it, but every time most of you are discussing with the content like AI, how it creates jobs, how it destroys jobs. That's it. There's no other real-time examples connected much. Instead, telling it unclear, you should have added some example and be clear. Okay? So that should be required in your discussion. And dynamics also must be there. Sharing your idea is different, connecting for the discussion is different. Work on it for the next discussion, you get ready. Okay? Come on. I want live comments. See here, speak louder. These comments are not effective. Instead, you write constructive comments. How are they doing? Come. The next discussion.
Good morning, everyone. So, we when we so today we have came up to discuss about the emotional intelligence in the professional success. So when we think about the success, we generally think about how the person has technical knowledge based on qualifications or intelligence. But I think these alone are not sufficient in this society. In the present success, in the present professional environment, we need to have a emotional balance in emotional balance. So emotional intelligence is basically the ability to understand and balance the emotions of ourselves and also to understand the emotions of others. Let me give an example. If if a company works for one project, manager came and shouts or criticizes about our work. Generally, if a person is not having the emotional intelligence, we just argue or become defensive to the manager. But if the person is intelligence, they stay calm and understand the feedback of the manager and improves their work. What do you think about it?
Yes, I agree with you. And in emotional intelligence, self-awareness is also an important part in emotional intelligence. It means we have to understand uh, our emotions, weakness, and strengths, and our thoughts regarding some work. So, in a professional environment, intelligence helps to understand our thoughts and behavior. So, as you said, whenever a manager have to scold the worker, we instead of reacting negatively, we have to react calmly, and we have to do not react impulsively. So,
As I agree with your points so far, and also I would like to bring the discussion with another um, emotional word, that is self-regulation. Self-regulation is the ability uh, to manage our reactions and control our emotions in professional life. We even technical knowledge will bring only the job only. Without the emotional intelligence, we can't survive in the job. The examples in our professional work, the higher officials sometimes will scold us in any other works. And at that time, an emotional intelligent persons will uh, stay calm and observe the situation and know the feedback, and he will rectify it with another time. So without responding immediately, emotionally intelligent persons will manage the situation, stay calm, and so he can good in professional work and personal life also. What are
I agree with you. In emotional artificial intelligence, in another emotion is empathy. Empathy means to understand how other persons feel and experiencing it. This empathy is reduces the misunderstandings.
Yes, I agree with you. Empathy is very important in emotional intelligence and professional success. And I add one more point. Communication is very important in emotional intelligence in professional success. It improve our communication, and it can express our ideas effectively. And communication is not only speaking; it is effective listening. Then only we can respond clearly and impulsively, and it can improve our relationship between a manager and client perfectly. And what do you think?
Yes, I agree with you, Robert. In my opinion, emotional intelligence is very important for teamwork and managing workplace conflicts. Teamwork is most important because in team, for every member, there is different ideas and opinions in them. By understanding and respecting each other, we can maintain teamwork effectively, and the output of the work will be good.
Okay. So your team tried very well how our emotional intelligence would work in the professional place, but not for the professional success.
Because when we think about the success, we just think about if the person has the technical knowledge or qualifications or based on their intelligence.
Okay.
So he was success. But if the person has both emotional intelligence and the technical knowledge to improve their communication and all,
Then automatically the success
it's going
would
to
come.
be more effective.
Good. So good, you tried well and keep doing it. And when it comes to the dynamics of the discussion, you need to work on it, like how effectively we use phrases. Your content is good. Everybody is trying to share, though you are maybe you might have prepared it. Okay, so it should be. You're adding good examples too. Everybody should be active. Okay, when one is speaking, everybody should be active in listening and connecting their points. Come up with good